geomembrane acts as a reliable barrier to prevent liquid filtration, ensuring tightness even in aggressive environments. It protects structures and soil from the intrusion of water and liquid waste, minimizing environmental risks. Preparing the base. Clear the surface of debris, roots, and sharp objects, then level and compact the soil. Laying geotextile. Spread the non-woven geotextile geoflax without wrinkles, overlapping by 20-30. Secure the edges. Laying the geomembrane. Spread the membrane sheets on the prepared base, leaving a 10-15 cm overlap for joining. Using special equipment, weld the seams of the membrane to ensure it is airtight. Filling the area. After the work is completed, fill the area with water or another liquid. Using geomembrane reduces waterproofing costs, ensures the durability of structures, and optimizes operating expenses for projects by preventing soil washout and improving their stability.